Yes, ma'am. Now?
Yes,
Yeah.
I can hear you. Hi.
Hi, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, thanks. It's good to see you. How are you?
Thank you, ma'am. Fine, ma'am. Today
Good.
was very busy day, so yeah, I did. Sorry for the late.
No problem. I just thought it'd be good for us to talk. Maybe easier, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Easier to understand. Yeah. And I would love you to help me a bit more with the model.
Yeah, please.
Okay, brilliant. Cool. So the model that you've done for me,
Mm-hmm.
I would like to like include the ceiling, so to close it off, so because there's different sort of the wall heights are quite different in the model, so I'm just wondering, shall I draw something and then send it to you, or
Ma'am, you draw something, send me, and also you will search on Pinterest. There is lots of designer.
Pinterest?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay, this would be good because I have got a Pinterest. Yes, hang on, I will send, yeah, okay, I'll send you Pinterest.
Mm-hmm.
I might be able to send you a link now of the sort of thing. Okay, I'll find the Pinterest board, and then I'll send it to you in a message.
Ma'am, no problem. You just take your time and choose lots of and choose one and then send me. No problem. No need to hurry, ma'am. Take time, choose one, what is better for you and then send me. No problem. Right now, it's not essential to send me. No problem. Then you text me that what is your actual expectation. If you send me anything, I will make for you. No problem.
Okay, brilliant. Because also, so obviously I use SketchUp myself, so but if you can do it all for me, then that makes my life a lot easier because I'm not as quick as you, nowhere near. Um, at the moment, the model that you've sent me is slowing down my computer a lot. I've got quite a slow computer, so it's just very slow, and I can't really go in and make changes. So I was
Mhm.
thinking at the moment, for me, the main things I want are I want to see the bathrooms in 3D, and I want to see how the ceilings work in that space. So I think
Mhm.
if you could send me 3Ds of like maybe take everything else out of the model but keep the bathrooms, maybe, then I can have those as a separate file, because at the moment the file is just slowing my computer down so much that I can't really go in and do much with it. So
Mhm.
maybe we can do that as well. But
Yeah, no
mainly,
problem.
I think mainly the thing that would be really good to have your help with is just helping me design the bathrooms.
Yeah, ma'am, sure, I can do. But, ma'am, uh, I need that your requirement. You sketch anything, or you can send me any, picture from
Yes.
as a sample. So that's better for me. I will make for you, and I also make the measurement. That could be easy to install in your bathroom.
Okay. Yes. Fine. So yeah, I'll send you like the measurements of the ceiling heights and how the ceiling looks. I'll draw that.
Yeah, yeah,
Um,
ma'am, sure. So,
I'll send you like what shower we want, and then maybe you can find something that looks similar and put that into the model.
yeah, ma'am, sure.
Okay, perfect. Well, that was it. I think for this call, I just wanted to see if you could maybe do some more 3D around the bathroom for me, around how the bathrooms might look. I will send you the Pinterest images
Yes,
and
ma'am.
some more measurements so that we can, and if you can put that into a separate file of just the
Mm-hmm.
bathrooms, then that would be brilliant. And I'll put all of that into an email for you.
Yeah, ma'am, send me. Okay, send me.
Okay. Okay. Great.
That's better.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay, ma'am. So,
Okay.
just few things I need to be confirmation. That one, you need to be changes your, what types of ceiling you want. That searches on net, not only Pinterest, but Pinterest is good. Not only Pinterest, you search in Google wherever you are find anything you
Okay.
think is for you. take the picture and send me.
Okay.
Number one, you need to be ceiling right now, and then you need to be design your bathroom. So these two is just make the schedule, and also you said you send me the email. That could be better for the conversation.
Sure. No problem.
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so
Okay.
much. Yeah, I
Yeah.
really appreciate your help.
It's okay, ma'am. Actually, this is right now. It's not my job. This is actually,
No.
I'm doing. What? It is satisfying me. This is my
Ah,
yeah. This is satisfying me. So I'm not thinking about the money. If I feel happy, if I'm doing this, if I have a chance to do this, so this is make me happy, ma'am. Actually.
oh, good. Okay, brilliant. Well, you're really helping me, so this is great.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, ma'am. So
Brilliant.
yeah, send me a picture and anything, and yeah, should we meet again? No problem.
Okay, brilliant.
Yeah. Anything to say me that need to be do?
Pardon? Say that again, sorry.
Any other things that you need to right now? Is this two you needed, right, ma'am?
No, I think that's it at the moment. Just the bathroom, just to really, I just want to be able to see the bathrooms really clearly and how they look. And yeah, and to put all of the, so get the same shower, get the shower looking how we're going to have it, and the floors. And really, the main thing I want to see is, because it's in the house, the ceiling is like this shape. But then in the bathrooms, there's a lower wall which goes around in a square, so I just want to see how it's like an open bit of ceiling that we're going to put lights around that go. So I want to see how that looks amongst the sort of pitch like this in the room, so it's just so we can get a better idea of how it looks, basically.
Yeah, ma'am. One more thing I need to be share. That is like you somewhere said you find a shower is you need to be installed in your bathroom. You send my picture. You tell me that I need this shower, and other picture probably you choose the ceiling is good. Then you send me the picture. You said this ceiling I need in the bathroom, and this
Okay, sure. So if I see like okay, yeah, like sure.
is
Okay.
there is the option for multiple choice for you. So yeah, that is my question actually.
Yeah, okay. And there was one more set of plans that I didn't send you, which does have the room heights, the heights of the rooms. So I'll send those to you now as well, so you can take the height of the ceiling.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, send me, no problem.
Okay, perfect.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, ma'am. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day, ma'am.
Yeah, you too. Take care.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Gentlemen,